What are capital gains and why should I care about them? That's a really good question. So capital gains is the difference between what you invest and what you pull out of the investment. So if you invest $10,000 and you pull out $20,000 on the back end, your capital gains is the profit. It's the difference between the two. However, capital gains could also go in the negative as well. If you invest $10,000 into an investment and you only pull out $5,000 at the back end, you have a $5,000 negative capital gain. Capital loss is what it would be considered. Capital gains is broken down into two different categories, and those categories are going to be short-term and long-term. Short-term capital gains are the funds that you pull out of an investment that is less than 12 months old. But now long-term capital gains, just like it might imply, it is any investment that you cash out that is older than 12 months. So what's the difference between long-term and short-term capital gains that I need to remember? I got that answer for you right now. The difference between the two is the tax rate. Short-term capital gains are taxed at a higher rate than long-term capital gains. But what's the big deal about that? Well, short-term capital gains is taxed at a higher rate than your income tax rate is, while long-term capital gains are taxed at a lower rate. If I want to invest in the stock market and focus on the long-term capital gains, what should I do? I love the answer to this question. It is going to be dividend stock investments. And if you click on this video right there, I dive into just what that methodology actually is.
The information contained in this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, a tax professional, or anything of the kind. The ideas, the concepts, the thoughts in this video are my personal opinions, my personal thoughts, and they are not suggestion or advice for you to go out and do anything with it. I highly encourage and suggest that you do your research before you do any kind of financial decisions or tax preparations. Before you do anything, please do your research and consult an actual professional.